Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a LinkedIn account. So if that is something you're interested in, then keep up watching. The first thing you're going to be doing is to click on your Play Store app. So once it's open, you click on the search bar and search for LinkedIn. That's how click it. So once you click on LinkedIn, you're going to see the app over there. Click to install it. So as you can see, it has installed. So I will click on enable, then I will click on open to open the app. Once it's open, you are going to see LinkedIn. Oh, it is called LinkedIn. I used to call it LinkedIn. So you're going to see join now. Continue with Google. Continue with Facebook. Sign in. So the sign in section is for people that already have accounts before. So for me that don't have accounts before, I will click on continue with Google. And you can also decide to continue with Facebook if you want to. So for me, I will click on continue with Google. So once I click on it, I will select the email I want to use. Then I will wait for it to load. So once it was done loading, you're going to see create account 90%. Join LinkedIn. So you're going to see your email, your picture. That is if you have picture on your email, you're going to see everything there like mine. Then you are going to see remember me, learn more. So mine is automatically checked. If yours is not checked, then you can go ahead and check it. Okay, so I will click on agree and join. So you are going to wait for it to load. Once it loads, it's going to say let's do a quick security check verification. So you are going to see some images. They will tell you to pick the image that is the correct opening, depending on what they show you. Sometimes they might not even show you any of these, because when my husband was creating his own LinkedIn account, they did show him these things, but me, they showed me. So it just depends, and it was really difficult for me to be able to choose the right answer. It was my husband that helped me to choose the right answer at the end of the day. When creating your LinkedIn account, make sure you are in a place where there is good network. If not, you see this section here, it will stress you. Once it's downloading, you are going to see your profile helps you discover new people and opportunities. They are also going to say something like I am a student. So if you're a student, go ahead and turn it on by clicking on the box. So for me, I'm not a student, I will just leave it as a no. Then you're also going to say location. So mine is automatically showing Abuja, Federal Capital Territory, Nigeria. So I'm going to change the location by clicking on it. I will search for Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So for you, go ahead and search for your own location and use it. Then once I'm done adding the location, you are going to see on the next section, most recent job title. I will click on it. So I will search for fashion designer. I'm a fashion designer. So for you, go ahead and search for whatever you want to search for. Once I'm done searching for fashion designer, I will click on it. Then the next section says most recent company. I have not worked with any fashion company, so I'll just go ahead and search for my own name. Promoted Sandra Koto. You can go ahead and search for your own name. It will come out like this. I will click on it like this. Okay, then you're going to see next. Click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see use your photo from Google to help people recognize you. That is if you have photo on your Google before. So for me, I will just click on next. Go ahead and click on next. You are going to see, are you looking for a job? The first option here says, yes, I'm actively looking for a new job. The second one says, not really, but would consider the right opportunity. So I will click on the second option because I'm not looking for a job. If you are looking for a job, click on the first option. So once you are done clicking on it, go ahead and click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see connecting with people lets you see updates and keep in touch. So you can follow as many people you want to follow. So for me, I will just click on skip for now. Okay, so once I click on skip for now, this is my platform. I've successfully created my LinkedIn account. So you're going to see welcome to LinkedIn. Then you're also going to see update profile. You can click on it to update your profile if you want. So answer any question you see. Once you're done answering it, click on continue. It will take you to the next question. Now if you want to copy the link of your LinkedIn and paste it anywhere, all you just need to do is to click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you are going to see these three dots here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see share profile via message, share profile via dash dash dash. Click on share profile via dash dash. Once you click on it, you are going to see copy. Click on copy and paste it on wherever platform you want to paste it on. Thank you very much guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please go ahead and like, comment and share. This really helped my algorithm a lot. And if you want to see videos like this on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notification. See you guys in my next video. Bye.